In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Myki to Apple Wallet, ensuring you have a seamless public transport experience, whether you're a regular commuter or planning your journeys ahead. Integrating Myki into your Apple Wallet streamlines your travels, making it convenient and efficient. Stay tuned as I walk you through the steps. First, let's begin by diving into your Apple device settings. This is your main gateway to customizing your phone's functionality, including organizing your payment systems and travel cards. Open your device's settings app, usually represented by the gear icon. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to using it, as this will enhance your overall user experience on iOS. Now, once inside the settings, scroll down through the list of options. Your aim here is to find the wallet section. It might take a moment, especially since there can be a plethora of settings, but you'll find it nestled amongst the various categories. When you spot it, give it a tap. Once you're in the wallet settings, you'll see an option labeled Add Card. This is your next step. Tap on Add Card to proceed. Apple Wallet is versatile, accommodating a variety of cards, from payment cards to loyalty cards and even travel cards. This feature is what makes Apple Wallet such an invaluable tool. Now, let's focus on adding a travel card. In this instance, Myki. You will be presented with a neat little interface displaying the available card types you can add. Locate and select the travel card option, as that is where you'll incorporate your Myki card. A handy tip here is to remember that adding a travel card doesn't mean you always have to use it right away. It simply gives you the flexibility and readiness for your travels. Moving on, you will notice a search bar on the page. Here, simply type in Myki, the local ticketing system for public transport services. Search functionality like this works intuitively, enabling you to find and set up your card with minimal hassle. After entering the search, when you see the Myki option pop up, click on it to add it to your Apple Wallet. By following these steps, you've integrated your Myki into your Apple Wallet, ready for use during any commute or travel session. Of course, it's worth verifying that everything is correctly set up before you're out and about, so you might want to check your wallet app to ensure the card appears there. This process significantly enhances your travel convenience, letting you sail through public transport checks and avoid the hustle of juggling physical cards. Happy commuting!